Well, they say when it rains, it pours. So, yeah, I'm kind of numb right here because I just went to the dentist and had some tooth work done. And guess what I'm driving? I'm driving the Pontiac Torrent. And remember my video where I replaced the ignition switch and what else under there? The switch that, the solenoid that lets you take the key out, and then I replaced the neutral switch down there. Well, guess what? I had to pull up the parts store here, returning the part that I didn't need, put the key in the ignition, all the lights come on, turn the key, nothing happens. Nothing happens, so it's dead. But it just so happens that I got online not too long ago and I found this ECM that has the same numbers mine has on it. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I guess I'm going to have to take this here in the parking lot of the parts store. I'm going to have to take this ECM and replace my other one with this one and see what happens, because turn the key, it's in park, nothing happens. And the reason I said when it rains it pours, because 5 minutes ago or 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, I was driving this thing back and I had a blowout. So yeah, so I'm stuck here at the parts store with a car that won't start. I just had a flat tire. So anyhow, I'm going to disconnect the battery, remove the old ECM, put this new one in and see what happens. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but obviously what I did there and there has not eliminated the problem. So it's probably not those parts. It's probably not the neutral safety switch. It's definitely not the solenoid, because the solenoid has to do with releasing the key. It's definitely not the ignition switch, because if I turn the key and it does, everything goes dead. See that? Everything turns off. Everything goes dead. See that? Everything turns off. Everything. Except my overhead lights, they don't turn off. But if I turn the key and everything goes off and nothing happens, it's a lot more than an ignition switch, I can tell you that. Alright, let me get under the hood and we'll try to get this ECM replaced and see what happens. I'll be back pretty quick. Put the safety catch in there like so. I hit the wrong button there, sorry. Okay, and that's locked. And then we'll slide the ECM back in the holder there. Alright, let me get that done and I'll come back. Alright, so when you slide the ECM in, see if I can do this one-handed. I don't know if I can or not. Nope. That didn't work. Hold on. Trying to do this one-handed. Dang it. Crap. I can't get the ECM to go in. See if I can do it like this, maybe. I don't know. There it goes. Like that. You got to push the ECM all the way in there. There we go. And see them tabs I was telling you, I flipped up with a screwdriver there right here. Okay. So now the ECM, the new used ECM is in there. And now I'm going to reconnect the battery. Alright. I didn't bring a wrench with me. I just bought a pair of vice grips, but they work. I don't know if this is going to do anything or not, but we're going to find out here in a second. Alright, that's tight. Now we got the different ECM. There's the old one. The one the original one. And there's the one I bought off eBay. New ones were 650 bucks, plus you got to go and have them programmed. I paid $34 for this one, so I don't know if it's going to work out. Let's go find out. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. 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 See that? I'm going to lock it. And unlock it. All right. See if the theft deterrent light goes away. If it doesn't, then I'm in trouble. It said service theft. Nope, service theft deterrent system. It's not going to start. Well, that's not going to work. Okay, well, now I'm really up the creek. All right. Crap. Well, I guess I'm going to have to call and have somebody come pick me up. So, there you go. That didn't work. So yeah, if you got one of these Pontiac Torrents and it leaves you stranded like this, if you fixed it, please comment below and let everybody know what you did to fix it. Because I've tried all these different things and it ain't working for me. So I'm not sure what to do at this point. I mean, obviously to fix it, I'm probably going to take it to a dealer to see what's wrong with it, because it's not working right. So anyhow, that's that, and that's as far as I got now. So I got to put it all back together. I'm going to put the old ECM back in it and see if maybe it'll start. I don't know if it will or not, but probably not. But I'm going to put that in and see what happens, and we'll go from there. See what happens. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.